Hello there, and here are ways to improve your Jedi army. See you soon. So the first and probably the most obvious and best way to improve your Jedi army is to get someone like General Grievous, if, you can afford it, and get his lightsabers and put them on different minifigures. Now, there's a few different ways that you can do this. You can get someone who actually uses a lightsaber in the films, like you got Finn, Master Bolaropol from the Clone Wars, the Wookiee youngling, Chirrut Imwe, and, just this random guy. It's best probably to use, someone that actually looks like they could be a Jedi, and, an in-universe sort of species, because it would fit better. Or just someone that you think would actually use a lightsaber, or actually does use one. Yeah. The second way that you can improve your army is by customizing your own lightsaber hilts and blades. For an example of this is using different coloured, focus? It's not focusing. Different coloured hilts, and, also adding something at the end, so here I use with Qui-Gon Jinn, so it's more of a staff, so it's you hold it from one end and you strike with the other end, kind of like that, an axe or something. You can also use, obviously you can go double-bladed, I don't know why it's on Rey, I'm sorry, no idea why I did that. You can also use, just like I said before, you can use different hilts, maybe the ones that, suit the person, because, the old Luke, he's gonna go burn down that tree, and, I don't know, it looks more wooden, more artsy, old soul sort of thing, and if you're one of the brave souls that uses lightsabers, oh no, get away from me. Also, just as a side note to what I said before about using different things, different minifigures, you can also just find a random minifigure somewhere, this guy and her, you can have a youngling or something and things. I don't know what this guy is, he just looks, I think I used a Jawa or something, it was a long time ago and I made some stupid minifigures back then, why has he got a top hat? What the... Jesus. Get away from me. So what else you can do is you can also add, accessories to the already existing minifigures. So, this guy, he wouldn't normally come with a lightsaber, but since his staff and his weapon is sort of kind of part of him, you can, keep that as well. And if it fits the character, then you can do that. Like how Obi-Wan has the uncivilized weapon, you can add that as well, if you have a spare one, which I don't. I literally have to scrape off the floor of you get the point, okay, I don't have many. Or, you can, if you can afford it, you can get a custom sort of blaster, and that's Rey's one. Or you can use the lightning for when she does it in The Rise of Skywalker. Spoilers if you haven't already watched it, but if you haven't already watched it, well, I kind of respect that in a way. So the last thing that you can do for customization is using different accessories that suit their Jedi personas. You can use a cape, you can use any kind of cape, any color suits them, except, actually, you know what, black suits it as well, even red, they all suit pretty well. Or, if you want to recreate that thing from Rise of Skywalker, the vision or the dream sit thing, you can add a helmet, I got that from the Jump Trooper, or Tali Lintra. You can use that as a training helmet, or you can use a hood from the Jawa, or a hood and a cape if you want to recreate the thing from Clone Wars. You've just got so many options,